I'm Kelly. I'm an esthetician and makeup artist at Alta Salon and Cosmetics, and I'm going to give you some tips on how you can make brown eyes stand out. Some really great colors for brown eyes are plums. Really pretty, going to really enhance the rich tone in brown eyes, especially on darker brown eye. It's really going to make a brown eye pop. You can also do a lighter, more jewel tone color. Something like that. It's going to really enhance brown eyes. Brown eyed people are so lucky because they can wear almost any color. Something with like a jewel toned olive color also. It's really pretty for brown eyed people. And you can always stick with your more neutral browns, mixed with a lighter nude tone. Finish off with a corresponding liner and mascara, and those are some colors that can really make brown eyes stand out.